Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you my makeup routine to get your makeup looking like this. So yeah, if you want that Pinterest bronzy baddie makeup, keep watching. Okay, first you want to start with skin prep, and I'm going in with the Cetaphil moisturizer. I like to just go in 2 fingers and just kind of massage that in. Guys, I've been breaking out so much, so when I took those photos, that was like the last day I had with clear skin. So yeah, I took those photos like almost a month ago, but yeah. Okay, just a little bit more because you want your makeup to be nice and smooth. It's literally winter and I already have a tan, so I was like, this makeup would be perfect for summers. Okay, next we're going on with these bronzing drops. Now yes, this is a dupe, but I suggest the Drunk Elephant one. And I like to go in a little bit of my hand and add the tiniest bit of moisturizer. Mix it in. See how good that shade matches? I mean, it's not supposed to be like foundation or anything, but for me, it's like a foundation because I'm already tan. But if you're not that tan, this would be good to just add a little tan to your face. You see that glow? Amazing. Okay, next step, we're gonna go in Rimmel bronzer and go on my cheeks. This is a really bronzy look, so pack up that bronzer. Your nose, never forget the nose. Cute. So next we have concealer under the eyes, around the mouth, and eyebrows. I'm using my trusty Fit Me concealer shade 40, which is my summer shade. It's legit winter. I don't know what I'm gonna do when it's summer. I might need an even darker shade because I don't know. Okay. So I'm gonna go in here. This area. Here. And this is my favorite place to put concealer. It really makes a big difference. I like to wait for it to be dry. Okay, now I'm blend it in with my finger. Just tapping. That looks amazing. Okay, next up, we are gonna go in and fix our brows. To be honest, I really like how my natural brows look, but I'm just gonna brush them a little bit. I like to brush them up first, and then take the side and kind of just swoop it, so you can see the difference. And if you do have lighter brows, then you can go ahead and fill them in. But since they're a natural look, I don't really want to make my brows even darker. Next, we're going to go in and add some more bronzer. Yes, because after adding that concealer, we want that to blend in using the W7 Pretty Purity, I don't know how to say it, face palette. and it has bronzer, 2 blushes, and highlighter. I'm gonna use this bronzer. We are going to use the same palette and use the highlighter. Yes, I'm using the same brush. I don't care. Stroke it this way. Oh my god. Do you see that? Really blend it in. Now, I don't use liquid blush. I use this. This is the Maybelline Vinyl Ink. It is amazing. I love it for my cheeks. Even though it's for the lips, I use it for my cheeks. I think you guys know this by now. I always use this as a blush. Like, even if I'm not wearing any makeup, I will still try and put on some of this because it really gives it the natural look. And it smells like vanilla. It smells so good. Shade 65, Saucy. Okay. I like to put it here. Like, not here on the cheekbone, like, yeah. And a little bit on the nose. Okay, next we like to go in with a round eye pencil. The same thing that I used to brush my brows. It's actually an eyebrow pencil. And you know, this is a little too light for me. Like a dark brown. And my eyebrows are like black. It's like running out, so I like to use a Q-tip to get some product. And just you can't really tell the difference on camera, but trust me, it really gives off like a natural smoky eye, like a really natural one. This is like my holy grail. I use my bronzer, like to hold the brush like this and put it in my crease and right here, like this area. Gotcha. This is like from Lakme. It's an Indian brand, or you can use the one from Rimmel. I have it, but I prefer this one because it's more creamy formula. That was so good. That was so perfect. This makeup look is like a no mascara, no lash look. But this really helps. This palette, literally perfect for this makeup look. Here in this area. This orange on the outside. I like to go in with this brown color. The very top of the crease and near the corner. Lastly, I like to curl my lashes. Lastly, I like to do my lips using the MCO Beauty Perfect Palette Lip Liner. And the vinyl ink. Literally perfect shade. And the makeup is complete. I hope you enjoyed that, and subscribe, like, and if you want to see more makeup tutorials, let me know, because these are really fun to do.